We're gonna look at another one, which is the flag rising animation class from your textbook here. So this we're gonna paste the code and reread the code together. So we're going to load the picture from, I have images folder. Let me change to images. So I have us.gif right there. So to add image, you use image view. Okay, so add image view. So image view just represent the view of the image, and then you can add to the pane. And we use path transition again. So 10 seconds duration, new line. So we draw a line, a location that we draw, and this is the size of the line. And we put image wheel into the path transition. Set cycle count 5, and then play animation, and then we start the program. So let's take a look at the application. Start main run. Okay, let's see what is the errors. Invalid URL or resource not found. So talk about this. So it could not locate the path. Okay, because I'm supposed to put it at the, let me move this into the folder level of the project. C users and idea projects. It did in that level. It's looking for images. Okay, so now let's think about a class file has to go into. So if I put a USGIF right here, where idea projects animation Java effects is, and let's test with that without the subfolder. Invalid URL line 20, so it still cannot locate. So let me get the copy the path and do the absolute path, and let's try again. Alright, so now we got different errors. It is still invalid URL with the C colon. So it could not locate the file here with the path that we provide. So let's review how we use image view. Let's see example. So the constructor take the file name. Okay. So this is a PNG. So let's verify that we actually have the us.gif in there. .gif GIF image, and this is a path. C idea animation. Oh, since I copy both of them, this should be an absolute path. So it looks like we have to add the file column to make this to show. Image, we need to set the site because it's just the original image size is big, so that's why it's covered the whole entire scene. Set fit width. Okay, so we raising the flags, flag rising animation. Right. We have set that line. So pretty much just the flag is traveling around the path transition that we set. Start from the bottom to the top. Let's see if I do pt dot set reverse, set auto reverse to true. And this is about the cycle rates, like 5, so that's the speed of the flag. So now reverse, just I make it up and down, right? Where I set the reverse to auto reverse to true, right? Now we can sing the national anthem, which we can add the national anthem music, which is the next chapter that we can look at in chapter 16. We also have fade transition. So this is like fading out, fading in the objects. Right. The same pretty much as we can pass the duration and the node that we want to apply to it. From value start opacity form for this animation, and to stop opacity for this animation. So opacity just make its fading or intensity of the image itself change. And by value, the increment values on the opacity for this animation. Duration of this transition, and specify the target node. So let's look at the code. We create a clips, set fill with red and black stroke color, and ellipse, right? We create ellipse center to the location. So we just, now when we do this, center x property define pretty much as it's going to go into whatever the windows is. So we bind to the windows, like x divided by 2, like in the middle of that window scene. Right. And this set the radius x and y, the size of your ellipse, and add that to the pane. And now we start to fade transition duration, like set to 3 seconds. Start from 1, which is very intense, and less intense, right? 2.1. And cycle count indefinite, so you just keep doing that. Auto reverse to true, and start animation. We can do the event pause when we click on ellipse, and play when we raise the mouse. So now let's see if we can modify our flag here to see if we can use the fade animation according to the property that we know here. So we need to set the node that we apply to, which is image view, right? So we're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do both path and apply the fade transition to flag, the rising flag, right? So fade transition, if t equals to new fade transition, and we can just do duration right away. So let's set the same, like 3 seconds. Or if you want to look at the top, you can say, let's get to the top, same 10 seconds. That's just lowest intensity. Image view. Pretty much the same speed as slicing and fading. So set from values. So from value 100%, right? Like 1.0 100% intensity. And let's say 2 values. That means it can be, if I set it to 0, that means it just disappeared from the screen. And this is just a cycle count, like the rates, right? So let's see, we're gonna do indefinite. And we do, let's set auto reverse, because when it come back, I want it to, like, from disappearing from the screen, it's going to get to show. And we play. If we want to add an event, we can do so. Let's see if that works with the fade animation. Yeah, it started fading away. You can see that disappeared. Right. Now it's coming back. So that's how we use the fade animation. Alrighty. Look at one more time. Up. Start to be fading away. It looks like that. Screensaver, you're right. Alright. So that's how we use fade transition. Timeline. We see timeline. So path transition and fade transition define specialized animations. The timeline class can be used to program any animation using one or more keyframes. So each keyframe is executed sequentially at a specified time interval. So timeline inherits from animation. So we can look at how we use timeline here. So this one, create a text, say programming is fun, set it to rate, color, add to the pane, and make event handler. So this event handler pretty much just check if the text is empty. We just set to empty text. Otherwise, we just set the text, say programming is fun, and make animation to the